What if I told you that true wealth doesn't announce itself? That the richest people you see might not actually be wealthy, and the ones who are, move in silence? Look around. The quiet millionaires don't flaunt their success, but they think differently, act differently, and build their wealth strategically. If you notice these 10 signs in yourself, you're already on the path to financial freedom, even if your bank account doesn't show millions yet. And by the end of this video, you'll have a roadmap to accelerate your journey. Subscribe the Wealthy channel. Let's get started. Number 1. Your bank balance grows without stress. Imagine waking up every day to find your bank balance steadily increasing, effortlessly. This isn't a fantasy, but a reality for those who understand the secrets to stealthily climbing into the wealthy class. While most people struggle with financial stress and instability, those on the path to wealth enjoy security, freedom, and the ability to pursue their dreams without constant worry. People make the mistake of living paycheck to paycheck, spending beyond their means and neglecting to save and invest wisely. Begin saving and investing as soon as possible to take advantage of compounding. Spread risk across different asset classes to protect and grow your wealth. Shifting your focus from consumption to investment, you pave the way for a secure financial future where your bank balance grows without stress. Number 2. You no longer stress over small expenses. Wealth isn't just about having money, it's about financial security. Morgan Housel writes in The Psychology of Money, "Spending less than you earn is the only way to build wealth. There's no shortcut." The truly wealthy don't stress over small expenses because they focus on earning and investing more instead of just cutting costs. If you no longer panic over minor costs, you've likely managed your budget, built savings, and created breathing room. The rich don't waste energy on pennies. They focus on the big picture, investments, assets, and financial growth. If small expenses still stress you, start automating your savings. Build an emergency fund so you're never caught off guard. Number 3. You don't feel the need to look rich. Once upon a time, you admired the guy driving the newest BMW. But now, you question whether he actually owns it or is drowning in debt. The wealthy don't chase status symbols. Instead of flexing, they quietly invest in things that grow: stocks, real estate, businesses. Many people who look rich are just spending everything they make. True wealth means having options, not just possessions. Impress yourself with your net worth, not others with your purchases. Number 4. You could quit your job if you wanted to. Imagine waking up on a Monday morning, not because an alarm forces you to, but because you choose to. No more dragging yourself to a job you hate. No more working just to pay bills. You work only if you want to. This is the power of financial freedom, and it's a clear sign that you're stealthily climbing into the wealthy class. Naval Ravikant says, "The ultimate goal in life is not money, it's freedom." The wealthy understand this. They build multiple income streams, invest wisely, and create systems that make money work for them instead of working for money forever. 2 people earn the same salary. One spends it all, the other invests 50%. In 10 years, one is still working because they have to, the other works only if they want to. Who do you want to be? Number 5. You've stopped upgrading just because you can. The average people get a raise and immediately upgrade their lifestyle. A bigger house, a fancier car, more expensive vacations. This is why they stay broke. But you? You might be earning double what you did 5 years ago, yet you still live below your means. That's how wealth is built. The truly wealthy, they don't feel the need to constantly prove their success with material things. Instead of inflating their lifestyle, they expand their assets, knowing that real financial power comes from owning more, not spending more. The biggest mistake? Lifestyle creep, where every pay raise goes straight into unnecessary upgrades. This keeps people trapped in a cycle of high expenses and zero financial security. Keep your expenses steady and let your assets grow. Focus on accumulating assets, not upgrading liabilities. Number 6. You trade in hours for freedom, not just more money. Money is infinite, but time is not. Yet most people spend their lives selling their time for money, working extra hours, taking on side gigs, and grinding nonstop, thinking it's the only way to get rich. But here's the catch. If you're always working for money, you'll never have time to enjoy it. Naval Ravikant says, "Become wealthy, not just rich. Rich people have money, wealthy people have time." The wealthy prioritize freedom by building income streams that don't require constant effort, investing, automating businesses, and outsourcing low-value tasks. They don't just chase money. They design a life where time works for them, not against them. Focus on earning more passively, not just working more hours. A high salary means nothing if you have no time to enjoy life. Think about it. Two people make the same $100,000 a year. One works 80-hour weeks, the other earns from investments while traveling. Who's truly wealthy? Number 7. You make money while you sleep. If your income stops when you stop working, you're not wealthy, you're just well paid. Real wealth comes when money works for you through investments, rental income, online businesses, or dividends. If you've started seeing money hit your account without lifting a finger, congratulations, you're in the wealth building phase. Passive income is what separates the rich from the middle class. Build at least one income stream that isn't tied to your job, a side hustle, rental property, or dividend-paying stocks. Number 8. Economic downturns. Don't scare you. When the economy crashes, most people panic. Layoffs, inflation, stock market dips. They scramble to survive because they never planned ahead. But the wealthy? They see downturns as discount seasons for wealth building. Warren Buffett famously said, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful." The difference is simple. The rich prepare, while the average person reacts. They have emergency funds, diversified investments, and cash ready to buy assets at rock-bottom prices. Instead of fearing recessions, they capitalize on them. Downturns create millionaires for those who stay prepared. When the 2008 crash hit, instead of panicking, many people bought undervalued stocks. A decade later, those investments turned them into a millionaire. Number 9. You value privacy over fame. The richest people aren't the ones flashing their wealth on social media. They're the ones you don't notice. Steve Schwartzman, billionaire investor, puts it, "The people who are really successful never want to be famous." Why? Because fame invites problems, jealousy, unnecessary attention, and distractions from wealth building. Smart investors and entrepreneurs keep their moves private, growing their assets silently while others waste time proving they're rich. Number 10. You invest in memories, not materialism. Studies show that people who spend on experiences rather than possessions report greater happiness and life satisfaction. People buy expensive things to impress others, draining their bank accounts on depreciating assets. Experiences appreciate in value, possessions don't. A trip, a skill, or a relationship can change your life. Memories outlast materials. The joy of an experience stays with you forever, unlike the thrill of a new gadget. Think about it. Would you rather own a $5,000 handbag or have a life-changing adventure that shapes who you become? If these signs sound like you, congratulations, you're already on your way to real wealth. We have a whole library of content designed to help you master your finances and live freely. If this resonates with you, hit like, subscribe the channel, and share with your loved ones. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.